Hi guys, Organized Mom here, and I wanted to show you how I made this fall wreath. It's super easy to make and real cheap. First, you will need a wire wreath form, any kind of fall floral of your choice. I got these maple leaves, an accent piece for your wreath, floral wire, and something to cut your wire with. I'm going to start by taking the floral and figuring out where I want it on the form. Once I got it there, I will take the wire and wrap the floral on the form. Then I go ahead and cut the wire and just finish tightening up that piece. And then I will do the same with the next two sets of florals. For the last bunch of florals, you're going to want to put it the opposite direction you have the other two florals, so it creates one simple piece. Then you will take your accent piece. I'm using this fall flower, and then I will attach it to the rest of the wreath. And this is the finished project. Here is a candle holder that I put some fall flare to, and I'll show you how I did. You'll need a candle holder, fall ribbon of your choice, super glue, and scissors. You'll take the ribbon and measure it around, leaving an excess layer to overlap. Once you get it cut, you're going to put super glue around the inside of the ribbon. And then you'll carefully place the ribbon where you want it located. And now I'm going to make this tiered pedestal. Okay, for this project, you need 2 plates. I got these marbled ones from the Dollar Tree, and a glass candle holder from the Dollar Tree as well, and super glue. This is real simple to do. I'm going to take the candle holder and my super glue. On the smaller end of the candle holder, I will put some super glue on it and place it in the middle of the first plate. While it's sitting in there, I will put super glue on the bigger end of the candle holder and place the second plate on top of it. And there's the pedestal. So here's everything that I have finished. I hope you guys like these crafts. I hope you guys have a great fall season. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.